behalf of this APIIT fraternity, we would take the honor of welcoming a chief guest, Honorable Speaker, Haryana Legislative Assembly, Chandigarh, Mr. Kuldeep Sharma ji.
Mr. Kuldeep Sharma ji is an eminent personality who needs no introduction. He is a highly qualified person who serves society well with his achievements.
He, being an eminent personality, has exhibited his versatility in various fields. He is a blend of efficient skills and adroitness. His exalted intellectual power is capable of operating independently of tuition and training, and marked by an extraordinary faculty for original creation, invention, discovery and expression.
His dexterity and competence is incomparable. He is a very special personality, an extraordinary visionary who navigates between astuteness and preeminence.
He is a part of the Indian National Congress. Presently, he is a Vidhan Sabha Speaker. He was working President HPCC from 30th July 2007 to 4th March 2011. During year 1997 to 2003, he was elected as the President of Karnal. Now, we would also welcome Mrs. Neelam Sharma ji, and along with her, we also have Mr. Pradeep Sharma ji from Panipat, Mr. Roshan Lal Mittal, Secretary of SD Education Society. We also have Professor Michael J. Goodwin,
Dean of Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Technology, Staffordshire University.
We also have Mr. and Mrs. Vijay Agrawal ji, Mr. Ishwa, Chairman APIIT SD India, Panipat. We also have Mr. Ishwa Garg ji, Vice Chairman APIIT SD India, Mr. Ram Nivas Gupta ji, Mr. Satish ji, President SD Education Society. We also have Mr. Neeraj Agarwal ji, Auditor APIIT SD India. And we really welcome all other dignitaries who have really blessed this occasion. Thank you people. Now let's have a big round of applause for them. Okay. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats in high over vales and hills.
When all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils.
Beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze.
Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way.
They stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay.
10,000 I saw at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance.
Flowers are the sweetest things God ever made and forgot to put a soul into. They have an expression of countenance as much as men or animals. Some seem to smile, some have a sad expression, some are pensive and diffident, while others again are plain, honest and upright.
I feel the most important, yet the best way to express these emotions towards someone is by presenting him with a single or bunch of flowers. They tell the story of how deep and soothing our feeling is. Its fragrance represents the purity and innocence of our bond relationship.
Thus, we would like to present our esteemed guest with bouquet of flowers as a token of love and gratitude. We would request Mr. Roshan Lal Mittal ji to please present a bouquet of flowers to Mr. Kuldeep Sharma ji. We would also request our chairman, Mr. Vijay Agrawal ji, to please present some bouquet of flowers to Mr. Kuldeep Sharma ji. We would now request Mr. Ram Nivas Gupta ji to please present some bouquet of flowers to Mr. Pradeep Sharma ji. Now we would request Mr. Satish ji to please present a bouquet of flowers to ADC Ashok Bishnoi ji. Now I would request Mrs. Neelam Agarwal ji to please present a bouquet of flowers to Mrs. Neelam Sharma ji. Now the bouquets have been presented to all our distinguished dignitaries. Let's have a round of applause, please.
Yes, please.
Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhan sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deep jyotir namostute.
I fold my hands before the light that brings prosperity, auspiciousness, good health, abundance of wealth, and destruction of the enemy's intellect.
Deep Jyoti Par Brahm, Deep Jyoti Janardana, Deepo mein hara tu papam, Deep Jyotir Namostute.
I fold my hands before the Lord, the maintainer of this creation, in the form of this light. I adore this light which destroys all the pains resulting from my omissions and commissions.
Sorrow, peacelessness, loss, disappointment, misery and lack of enthusiasm are all forms of darkness. To get rid of the darkness of sorrow, we have to light the lamp of happiness. To get rid of the darkness of disease, we have to install the light of health. To get over the darkness of failures and losses, we have to usher in the light of prosperity.
As it is said, it's better to light a candle than to curse the darkness. Thus, I take immense pleasure and delight in requesting our esteemed chief guests and dignitaries on stage to kindly do the honors of lighting the lamp.
This is how we...
Now we would request our Honorable Mr. Vijay Agrawal ji, Chairman APIT SD India, to please welcome our chief guest on behalf of Asia Pacific Institute of Information Technology.
चीफ गेस्ट मेरे रिस्पेक्टेड भाई श्री कुलदीप शर्मा जी, स्पीकर हरियाणा विधानसभा मिसेस नीलम शर्मा, प्रोफेसर गॉडविन फ्रॉम शेफरशायर यूनिवर्सिटी यूके, हमारे बीच